Well, good morning. I just recorded this whole video and it did not take. So I am starting over. So I'm just going to start right here and then I'm going to go backwards. So we are doing the inquiry warm up. What is the temperature? And so far it said put the thermometer in the cup of ice water, and then we're going to observe and take the temperature every 10 minutes, and then we're going to record your observations in the chart. So we're going to do 4 different measurements. I already have the timer going, so hopefully maybe we'll be able to get to that in a minute. So first of all, let's go back, and I'm going to just sit here, this right here. If you can look at page 54 and 55, this is our new unit. It's Unit B, Physical Science. And I want you to take a look at this bridge. This bridge is located in Austin, Texas. And I just want you to look and see if you can tell what some of the materials that might have been used to build this bridge. So we have some metal going this way, and we have concrete, and we also have some metal wires going this way to hold it up. So there are several different materials that are used to make a bridge, and we're going to talk about that later in the chapter. So next thing I want you to do is look right here. This is chapter 2, matter, and so that's what we're going to be learning about in this chapter. We have 5 lessons, and starting tomorrow, this is the lesson opener today. So I have a little story for you to listen to. Let's move that over there. Our theme is, how high can you fly? So the sky is just starting to lighten along the horizon when your parents park the car. You stumble along sleepily until you get to the observation area. In the field, you can see people moving. What look like lengths of fabric are stretched out and attached to wicker baskets. Flames shoot from the burners, and fans blow the air warmed by the flames toward the fabric. As you watch, the fabric starts to move. 50 balloons are inflating right before your eyes. The crew struggle to hold down the balloons so that the pilots can climb into the baskets. As the sun comes up over the horizon, you watch the balloons begin to rise into the air. The sun strikes the balloons, and you are amazed to see the different colors and designs. You watch the balloons as they move higher and higher and wonder, how high can they fly? So, have you ever seen hot air balloons before? They usually take off in the morning, and I can remember when I used to take my kids to school in the fall, you would see hot air balloons going up because the air needs to be cool, so that when they blow the hot air up inside it, they'll rise up in the air. So the question was, what do you think makes these balloons fly? And I, of course, just answered it. So anyway, how high do you think they can fly? You can see them at different levels. Here's one on the ground. There's one up over the pond there, and this one is up higher, and this one looks like it's going up over almost as high as the mountain. So they don't go as high as an airplane, but they definitely can go up pretty high. So let's turn the page, and let's do this one. Let me see. Not sure how much longer we have. Focus on draw conclusions. You will practice the reading skill, draw conclusions, in this chapter. You draw conclusions when you decide about something you see or read. The title of this one is A Hot Day. You're playing outside on a hot day. You bring a glass of water with you to drink. After a while, you notice that the ice is gone. So, we're going to practice, and it says, write what you think happened to the ice. So you know it is a hot day. So what do you think happened to the ice? Well, write down your answer. And if you wrote it melted, that is correct. Okay, so in a minute, I'll come back and we'll take our first measurement. I'm going to go ahead and start uploading this video. And the next videos, so we're going to have to do this in 4 different videos. So the next 3 or 4 will be a little bit shorter. So I'll see you in just a few minutes and we'll check our temperature.